This is the tutorial for 3rd grade, lesson 5, debugging with Laurel. Let's go ahead and click on number 1, which is a video. We're going to watch it. It's very short.
All computer scientists, no matter how experienced they are, run into errors that they need to fix. This is where debugging comes in. Debugging is just a word that means finding and fixing errors in a program. And the first step towards fixing errors is to find them. Most puzzles have a step button below the play space that you can use to hunt for problems. If your program doesn't work, press the step button and see what happens. Does the character take action in the right way? If everything looks good with the first block of code, press the step button again. How does everything look? Is it still running right? Keep going through your code line by line until you find the first place where things go wrong. What happened? What was supposed to happen? What does that tell you? In this puzzle, I get to the last line of code and don't reach the goal. What happened? I got to the end of my code without solving the puzzle. What was supposed to happen? I need to go forward one more step. What does that tell me? It tells me I need to drag out one more of these blocks and attach it to the end before I click run. Ta-da! And that's how you debug a program.
So the important thing to realize about this lesson is that you are not writing the program, you're fixing a program. Let's go ahead and click continue and move on to puzzle number 2. There should already be a program there. And there is a program here, but there is 1 or 2 or even 3 separate mistakes, and it is your job to find them and fix them. In essence, you are debugging this program. I will point out that this program says that we need 7 blocks to solve, and so far we have 4, as in 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 3 more blocks somewhere. If I click step, I can see her move, and if I click step again, I see her move again, but it looks like the mistake or the bug is that she forgot to pick up the gem after the first step. So if I grab a collect block and I put it in after the first step, as soon as I release this, all of the other ones will get pushed down. So now she will take a step forward and she will collect it, and then she'll move again. So let's try this again. Takes a step, collects it, takes a step, and unfortunately, she did not pick that one up again, and that is because there should be a collect after the next step. So let's do that. Grab, put it right after the next step, and it'll push the last block down. We'll try it one last time. And then she'll pick it up, and then take another step, and pick that one up, and then click step one more time. And she does, in fact, move to the last spot, but you'll notice that this is the last block in our program, and she still did not pick up that last one. So we'll add one last collect. At this point, I have a total of 7 blocks out of 7 blocks. Click reset, run it again. If this window does not come up when you're done, you can always come down here and click on the orange button that says finish. Click continue. That was puzzle number 2. Here is puzzle number 3. And again, there is already a program here. Your job is not to write it, but to fix it. So let's see what let's see if we can find the bug. And we do that by clicking step until we notice a mistake. Here we go. Good so far. Good so far. Good so far. Good so far. And there's a mistake. She turned the wrong direction. And if you look in your program, you can see that that block does in fact have a yellow line around it. It's not, right now it says turn left, but it should actually say turn right. So go ahead and click on the triangle, change it to a turn right, reset the program, and use the step block again. And we're going to check to see if there are any other mistakes. Here we go. Good, 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 good. So luckily that program only had one bug. Click continue. We're going to move on to puzzle number 4. Same here. There's already a program there. We just have to find the mistake and fix it. Please notice that the program wants 5 blocks, but it looks like we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means we're going to have to take 2 of these blocks out. But let's see if we can figure out which ones. Step, good so far. Collect, good so far. Oh, well, she wasn't supposed to walk forward. And you can see over here the yellow line. So let's take this block out. And the way that we do that is not by grabbing it, but rather by grabbing the one that's after it. Now we can take this one out in isolation, put all of these back, reset it, and do it again. Move forward, collect, collect, and unfortunately she did move forward again, so you can see it over here with the yellow line. Let's grab the one under it, take that block out, and put the collect block back here, reset it, and do it one last time. Move forward, collect, collect, collect. Great. And again, if the window doesn't pop up, you can just come down here and click finish, and that will move you on to the next puzzle. And here is puzzle number 5, and this will be the last one for this tutorial. Please notice that the computer program wants 12 blocks, and we already have 12 blocks right there in here, 12 blocks. So let's see if we can discover what is wrong. It says, don't get frustrated, you can do it. Fix the error. And do you see how it has a little S in parentheses? That means that there may be one or more errors to collect all the treasures. So let's go ahead and click step until we discover her doing something that's wrong. Here we go. Good so far. Good so far. And, oh no, she turned the wrong direction. So let's come into the program and we're going to change that to a turn right. We're going to reset the program and start again. Good. 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 She did it again. She turned the wrong direction. So come into the program and it's the block with the yellow line. Change it to a turn left. Reset and do it again. Good. 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 And this time, hopefully, she turns the way that we want. Good. 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 And good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop right here since this was puzzle number 5. So we did find the bugs, and your job, of course, is to make sure that puzzles 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are bright green, at which point you are welcome to close code.